Hey yo, what's up guys? Today in this video I'll be showing you how we can easily create a new account on the Afterpay application. So in order to begin, I'll open the Afterpay application. Once you're in the application, you can click on login or create a new account. So if you already have an account, you can choose the login option. If you don't have an account, you can select create a new account. I'll click on create new account, and now it's asking for my mobile number, password and email address. So I will just add my email address and enter a password. Okay, so that's great. Now I will add my mobile number. Okay, so once you enter your mobile number, it will ask for a confirmation SMS verification. So once you enter the SMS verification, your Afterpay account will be opened. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.